All right, we got a Subaru WRX hatchback. Dent in the fender, body line. We're gonna fix this with paintless dent repair. Stay tuned. Okay, all done. Subaru Fender WRX hatchback. Came out great. Paintless dent repair. Fixed that crease about 5 inches through the body line on the edge there. And just slowly, methodically sculpted it back to its original shape. Repair took a couple hours. Paintless dent repair. Thanks for watching.